Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a very simple way to make a salad. It's so easy that kids like me can make it. So I'll just show you what we've got these ingredients to make the salad. So we've got some mum sprouts and we've got chia seeds and we've got some pomegranates and some quinoa, cooked quinoa, and mixed beans, and an orange, and some walnuts, 1 lemon, half of avocado, salt, pepper, herbs, and sugar and some honey and olive oil. So let's get started with the salad dressing. So for that, we'll pour some olive oil. I'll squeeze some lemon into it. Some salt as per your taste. And maybe some pepper. And some sugar. Choose 1 and 2. That's enough, I think. I think we should mix it now. Until you think maybe the sugar and salt is melted. And now dressing is ready. And now we will get to the salad. Okay, so now we've got our ingredients ready. Now we can pour the mum sprouts into a bigger bowl. Now we've got the cooked quinoa ready. So cooked quinoa, and it's cooked with some pepper and with a little bit of dashed water. So let's pour that. Now we're going to pour the mixed beans in. Now we've got our pomegranates. Let's just pour some pomegranates into it. And now the avocado. Well, be careful with the avocado because there should be very small cubes. Okay, so we're nearly done with the two. Oh well, we'll put that on in later. Now we've got our oranges. Now we've got our chia seed ready, and let's just open it. Just sprinkle about 2 or 3 spoons. Now we've got the walnuts to put in. Now, if you like, you can put some other salads like tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, chopped or coriander leaves. Or if you like, you can put some chili in, but I won't. So let's just pour some all the cucumbers. Last but not least, salad dressing. Okay. Oh, just 1 spoon, 2 spoons. Now we can stir it. If you want, you can put some more salad if you like, but if you don't, that's absolutely. Look at that. Look at that yummy, colorful salad. It looks so good. I'll just get ready to eat it. Ooh, look at it. That was yummy.